Everyone, please remain quiet. All defendants, turn on your video. All defendants, turn on your video, and everyone, please remain quiet. Sit up and turn on your videos. Everyone, remove your hats off your head. If you're driving, pull over. Mr. Russell, you have to take off your hat. All defendants, turn on their video.
I don't have a video.
I know, Ms. Downey.
Okay.
Please, everyone, remain quiet until your name is called. Luke Redmond, turn on your video. Luke Redmond.
Thank you.
Mr. Redmond, turn on your video. Everybody remain quiet. Keep your phone calls on mute until your name is called.
Hey, yep, it's an offering here. I think I told her the offer that you.
Mr. Romero, you have to cease on.
It's like no offer, it's a different case. Yeah, it's no. Yep, failed. Yeah, only because I see the bite.
Okay, and I'm also going to ask everyone to find somewhere to sit down and be stable. You can't be walking around. I'm about to open court. 36th District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's absolutely no walking, talking, reading, sleeping, eating, or driving. If you're in the car and it's moving, please move over to the side and remain stable. When your name is called, unmute your devices and give your full and undivided attention to the judge. Once again, good morning, Your Honor. Yes.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. We're going to start with Angel Romero. Everyone, let the attorney state her name for the record first, then you can state your name. Ms. Villarreal, are you ready? She's not ready because her audio is not connected, so we'll call that. Officer Harris, Mr. Ramsey did not check in, so we're gonna case him.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Are you ready? This is the people versus Angel Romero, ticket number P1309-813, count 1, driver's license never acquired, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please state your name for the record.
Buenos días, se llama el caso del pueblo versus Ángel Romero, 1309-8131, cargo número 1, estar manejando sin nunca haber obtenido una licencia, cargo número 2, no tenía seguro de vehículo, delito menor, cargo número 3, no tenía registración de vehículo. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta.
Your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Tucker, PA 5402, on behalf of Angel Romero.
Buenos días, su señoría. Yo soy la abogada Tamika Tucker, representando al señor Romero, número P85402.
State your name for the record, please.
Evelyn Villarreal, certified court interpreter, Your Honor.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to interpret English to Spanish and Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Put your hand down. Mr. Romero, can you state your name for the record, sir?
Señor Romero, ¿puede usted decir su nombre para que conste en el acta, señor?
Ángel Antonio Arevalo Romero.
Ángel Antonio Arevalo Romero.
Tucker, how does your client wish to proceed?
Your
¿Y
Honor,
cómo quiere su cliente proceder?
my client would like to accept the offer.
Su señoría, mi cliente quiere aceptar la oferta.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Romero.
Señor Romero, levante la mano derecha.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Put your hand down.
Ya puede bajar la mano.
Have you had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Tucker in private about your case and your rights?
¿Ha tenido usted la oportunidad de hablar con la licenciada Tucker con respecto a sus derechos y al caso?
Sí, es la abogada que me hablé ahorita, ¿verdad?
Yes, is that the attorney that spoke to me just a little while ago?
Yes, sir.
Sí, señor.
Ok, sí, hablé con ella.
Okay, yes, I did speak with her.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
¿Y alguien lo ha amenazado usted, lo ha forzado usted o le ha prometido usted algo para que usted se declare culpable hoy?
No,
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
¿Y usted se está declarando culpable de su propia voluntad?
sí,
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Y se está declarando culpable porque de hecho es culpable.
pues sí, no tengo una licencia de Michigan.
Well, yes, I do not have a Michigan state driver's license.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Y comprende usted que al declararse culpable, usted renuncia su derecho de tener un juicio?
Sí,
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Y reconociendo que usted está renunciando a su derecho de tener un juicio, ¿usted aún quiere proceder con su declaración?
no, nomás no quiero problemas, no me quiero pagar y ya.
Well, no, I don't want to have any problems. I just want to pay.
So your answer is yes?
Así que su respuesta es sí.
Sí,
Yes.
All right, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of February 6th, 2022 at 2:05 p.m.
Le quiero dirigir la atención a la fecha del 6 de febrero del 2022 a las 2:05 de la tarde.
On that date and time, were you at or near Burner Highway and Casper Street in the city of Detroit?
Y para esa fecha, en ese momento, se encontraba usted en el área de la calle de Burner, en la ciudad de Detroit.
sí,
De Burner y de Cass, en la ciudad de Detroit. Yes.
Driving a 2010 Chevrolet vehicle?
Iba usted manejando un vehículo del 2010, marca Chevrolet.
sí,
Yes.
Not have a driver's license that had never been.
Interpreter did not hear that, Your Honor.
Did you not have a driver's license that had never been acquired?
¿Y usted es cierto que usted no tenía una licencia o nunca había obtenido una licencia?
no, nunca, hasta ahorita que saqué la internacional, pero dice que no vale.
No, not now, but I do have the international one, but I was told that that license did not count.
Satisfied, Ms. Tucker, with the factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
¿Está satisfecha que se ha establecido un fundamento? Sí, su señoría.
All right, the court is also satisfied with the factual basis, will amend the count to fail to display. Ms. Tucker, do you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Así que la corte también acepta que se ha presentado un fundamento, acepta que se ha modificado el cargo a falta de haber mostrado una licencia en este momento. Señora Tucker, ¿quiere usted decirnos si está de acuerdo con que hay causa razonable para desestimar los otros dos boletas de infracción?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su señoría.
Are dismissed without prejudice and will proceed to sentencing.
Así que la corte desestima esos dos cargos sin prejuicio y va a decidir cuál es la sentencia.
All right, there's going to be a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by January 12th?
La multa es $200. ¿Pudiera usted alcanzar a pagar esa multa a más tardar el 12 de enero?
Sí.
Yes.
Did you have any questions?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta?
¿Cómo hago para pagarlo?
How do I go about paying it?
Online at the court website, there's kiosks around the city called DIB, DIB as in Victor, DAT as in Tom, or there's a phone number where you could call and give you that number.
Bueno, usted puede pagar en línea si visita el sitio web de la corte. También puede pagar en un kiosco, los cuales se llaman DIV-DAT, DIV-DAT. Están en todas partes de la ciudad. O puede pagar por teléfono. Y si espera un momento, yo le daré ese número de teléfono.
Ok, deme el número de teléfono, por favor.
Okay, could I have that phone number?
855-798-1547.
Es 855-798-1547.
855-798-1547.
855-798-1547.
Yes, sir.
Sí, señor.
Ok.
Okay.
So you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Así que ya está listo, señor, y buena suerte usted.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Thank
Have a
you.
good day, Your Honor.
Perdón, dice el 12, ¿verdad? Hasta el 12.
Excuse me, you did say that I have until the 12th?
Yeah, so January.
Sí, hasta el 12 de enero.
Ok, si lo puedo hacer antes también, no hay problema, ¿verdad?
And if I pay it before then, that's okay too. That's not a problem.
Absolutely.
Absolutamente. Lo puede pagar antes.
Ok, muchas gracias.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. LaRue. Mr.
You're very
Petway,
welcome.
I think Ms. Horn, she wants to go into a breakout room with Ms. Chandler. If we open up the rooms, is everyone gonna go get automatically put back in those rooms?
Yes.
So what can we do? Bring everyone out?
Yes.
Can I leave, right?
We're done.
Yes, you can. I'll remove you, Mr. Romero.
Okay.
So I will move Officer Chandler to room 18 and I'll go in.
Okay, they got to open back up. Everyone, come back to the main session. Mr. Petway, is there anyone that we need to call right away?
I tell you right now, if you can call Luke Redmond, because he was here first one here this morning. Luke
You
Redmond.
said Redmond?
Yeah.
I thought you said David Dow's here first.
No.
Versus Luke Redmond, ticket number P13092111, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Luke Redmond.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Tucker, PA 5402 on behalf of Luke Redmond.
How's your client wish to proceed, Ms. Tucker?
Your Honor, I have not received an offer or anything on him.
If the offer would be in proper place, does he in fact have valid insurance?
Mr. Redmond, do you have valid insurance? Is he even on?
Yes,
Okay.
Turn your video back on, Mr. Redmond.
I'm trying. 1 second.
You do have valid insurance?
Not at the moment. I'm not even driving. Sorry.
Okay, so the offer is in proper place, with no points. It would likely be a $200 fine. Did you want to take that?
Yeah, I'll take it. Also, I had court in your courtroom on November 17th that I didn't know about. I just found out just by going on researching online. And it was for traffic tickets also.
I just have him for the one today.
Yeah, he has a ticket that's in warrant status.
Yeah, I just found out about it.
So it would be in proper place and then dismiss these other two tickets, okay?
Okay.
Raise your right hand, sir.
Can you see
Do you
me?
swear? I can. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to, did you speak to Ms. Tucker about your case and your right
This morning?
this morning?
No, I didn't. I don't
You
recall.
spoke to the court with Ms. Tucker present about your case and your rights, is that correct?
Yes, I talked to the court clerk, I reckon.
I'm just saying, okay, and the judge, like literally 2 seconds ago, we just had a conversation about your case.
Oh, yeah, I did. Yeah.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today? Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
I do.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
I do.
I'm going to direct your attention to February 4th, 2022 at 8:56 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Finkel and Parkway Street, the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2005 Dodge vehicle?
Yes.
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
I didn't.
You know what, this isn't even you. I don't know who this is. Somebody else. All right. You're satisfied with factual basis, Ms.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court is also satisfied with factual basis. Will amend the count to improper place and will proceed to sentencing. You know what, if there's another ticket, this isn't it, because this is somebody else's name on this ticket. I don't know why it's in this file. I think you may have another ticket for your other case, Mr. Redmond.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
I said, I think you may have another date for your other case. You said you missed the case?
Yeah, it was scheduled for a Zoom hearing November 17th. So I didn't know if they put a warrant out. I just noticed it yesterday when I went on you guys' website. So I didn't even start in the mail about it.
Give me 1 second, sir. No, you have another date, for December 14th at 8:45.
That's a couple of days ago. Might as well pull that.
Okay.
Hold on.
Might as well print that and deal with it.
Okay, hold on.
Come back into the camera. Ms. Ross, Ms. Robinson, you have to keep on your video.
And Ms. Tucker, whenever you have a moment, we can speak about Mr. George Douglas. And he's the one with the dog cases.
Okay.
Okay, I'll stand by.
Okay, we pulled your other ticket.
Mhm.
Mr. Duncan, you got to come back into the camera. Mr. Duncan, you got to remain in the camera.
Oh, Your Honor.
You have some other tickets of there, no insurance, and then fraudulent false insurance. Is Ms. Horn around?
Yeah, I understand the no insurance, but the fraudulent false insurance, that was a laminated copy of my insurance, so
Yeah.
I don't understand how it's fraudulent.
Why don't we do this? Just stand by and we'll come back to this and then so that the prosecutor can take a look at it.
Okay.
So just stand by. Sorry about that. All right, this is the people versus.
Judge, can I make a recommendation, please? Mr. Dye, David Dye, he was here second.
Okay. This is the people versus David Dye. Ticket number P131217. Count one, failed to display a valid operator's license not in person. Count two, I'm sorry, ticket number P11304448. Count one, drive-out license suspended. Good morning, please say your name.
Tamika Tucker, PA 5402 on behalf of David Dye.
Mr. Dye, can you say your name, sir?
David Dye.
There is a recommendation to dismiss both of these tickets without prejudice. You stipulate the probable cause, Ms. Tucker.
Yes, Your Honor.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Dye. Your son has some tickets he probably needs to address. You need to let him know.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you're all set, sir. Have a good holiday.
Thank you. Same to you.
All right. Anyone else, Mr.?
No. Okay.
First is Titus Ross, ticket number P1344921, count one, discharge firearm. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Titus Ross.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Tucker, PA 5402 on behalf of Titus Ross.
Okay, there is a recommendation of a 6-month delayed sentence. Does your client wish to proceed?
Mr. Ross, would you like to take that?
The delayed sentence for what? Should be dismissed.
No, Your Honor, he wants to go to trial. I'm sorry, he wants to go to trial.
Is this the bench trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Ross. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
sure,
So
yes.
the court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set up for a bench trial date for January 6th at 9 o'clock.
Yeah, well, I guess because I'm not being able to work because this is on my, background check. So they took me off my, assignment. And all the charges, everything was dismissed, I thought.
No, it's set for a bench trial, sir.
Okay.
All right.
Do I have any other, matters in front of you?
I don't know, do you have any other tickets out there?
No, I just,
Trying to keep asking me if you got other tickets, then I mean, I'm gonna stop and look.
You can check on the website.
You can look on the website.
yeah, every time I go on there, it's really hard. So I was just inquiring.
Yeah, I don't know. Do you have any other tickets?
You can call the first floor. They can check.
You can also call the first floor. Do you have?
501. 965.
You have some tickets that are in warrant status, and you have an untitled registered vehicle that I see. And if your middle name is it Diamond? Is that your middle name?
Yes. Demond.
Demond. So I see some tickets in warrant status. You must have failed to appear. And then I see an unregistered untitled vehicle ticket.
Okay, so I should call downstairs. What, do you have that number?
Is it all those in the file?
No.
It's up to you, Judge. You wanna hold on this stuff?
I mean, it's set for a trial. Well, one is set for, okay, here, we'll pull this one. It's set for an arraignment on December 16th. So we'll do this one now and then set it for a bench trial date. We'll just pull everything and set it for a bench trial date. I'll call in 1 second, Mr. Fedway.
Okay, thank you.
So this will be his arraignment.
All right. Oh, no, that was already done. All right, so we're out here on case number. Ticket number SP 1245631, count 1, driving register or untitled vehicle, count 2, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver, and ticket number SP 1368957, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. These are set for an arraignment. And it's my understanding, Ms. Tucker, you want to set these for bench trial as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, these are set for a bench trial on January 6th at 9 o'clock. You're all set, sir.
Okay, Judge, I found my list. Could we do Roberto Guy next?
Before we do that, can I just get the officer Johnson out of here?
Because his client is here, Sandra Ruthenberg. Okay.
Right, okay. Let me just do this one really quickly. This is the People versus Sandra Ruthenberg, ticket number P1225845, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive, count 2, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. The board, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Johnson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Robert Johnson, badge number 783, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Tucker, PA 5402, on behalf of Sandra Ruthenberg.
Ms. Ruthenberg, say your name.
Sandra Ruthenberg.
All right, there's an offer of a 3-month delayed sentence on count 1, dismissing count 2. How does your client wish to proceed?
Your Honor, she wants to go ahead and take it to trial.
Okay, so stand by. Horn heard that. We'll go to trial. All right, this is People versus Roberto Dye, ticket number P1267703, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, drove while license not valid or proper license, ticket number P1364092, count 1, improper plate, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, ticket number U533833319, count 1, enter without owner's permission, ticket number U206888314, count 1, operator junk vehicle without junk collector's license. That's it. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Tamika Tucker, PA 5402, on behalf of Roberto Dye.
Mr. Dye, say your name, sir.
My name is Roberto Dye.
All right, there's an offer. Does your client wish to avail himself of that offer?
Yes, he does, Your Honor.
Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Dye. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Tucker in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Going to direct your attention to the date of October 20. I'm sorry, let's start with this, October 31st, 2019 at 1:20 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near an address on 8040 Stalin in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you enter that building without permission from the owner?
No, ma'am. I did not. But yep, yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. Yep. Yes.
You're saying yes?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that's, you're satisfied the factual basis, Ms. Tucker?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
That is amended to disorderly conduct. I'm going to direct your attention to the date of October 26, 2021 at 10:25 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near East Outer Drive at Fenelon in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2005 Buick vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you driving while your license was not valid or improper?
Yes, ma'am.
You're satisfied, Ms. Tucker?
Yes, Your Honor.
Satisfied the factual basis, will amend that count to fail to display. And then I'm going to direct your attention to the date of June 15, 2022 at 2:28 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Grand River in Minnesota, the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2000 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have a proper plates on the vehicle?
I apologize. I didn't hear that.
Did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
You're satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
information to count one. And I forgot to call this case. There's also ticket number P1364098, count one, drive while license suspended. Ms. Tucker, do you stipulate to probable cause as to the remaining tickets to all be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
So they're dismissed without prejudice. We will proceed to sentencing. So there's gonna be a fine of $200 for the improper plates. And then there's a fine of $200 for the fail to display, and then I'll waive the fine for the disorderly conduct. So it's just a total of $400. Can you have it paid by January 12th?
Could I get to the end of January now?
February 9th.
Thank you so much.
Do you have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
All right, so you're on set, sir.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Latoya Rumley next.
Okay.
And Your Honor, just as an update, Officer Johnson has left the courtroom. The people will be moving to dismiss whenever the courtroom is ready. And that's on Miss Ruthenberg.
Thank you. Oh, when you get a chance, can you, there is Luke Redmond. He has a couple of other tickets. And I think he wants to resolve them today. There's three no insurance, and then one is a fraudulent insurance.
Okay, Your Honor, I'll come to the courtroom to review the file. Thank you.
And Mr. Redmond was having problems and he got blinked out. So I was waiting for him to come back.
Hopefully he'll come back. All right. This is the people versus Latoya Rumley, ticket number P1208330, count one, allow another to use license plate. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Tucker, PA5402, on behalf of Latoya Rumley.
Ms. Rumley, unmute yourself, look in the bottom left-hand corner. Say your
Hello.
name, please. Say your name,
Latoya
please.
Rumley.
All right, there's an offer of a 3-month delayed sentence. How does your client wish to proceed?
Your Honor, she would like to go to trial. It looks like it was set for trial today, Your Honor, actually.
Oh, it was. And I don't think the officer appeared. So with
No.
that, you stipulate, I'm sorry, with that, you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, a motion to dismiss the ticket.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice, and you're all set, Ms. Rumley.
Thank you. Happy holidays to you all.
Too, ma'am, thank you.
Your Honor, can we recall Ms. Ruthenberg?
Yes. People versus Sandra Ruthenberg, ticket number P1225845, count one, allowing a licensed driver to drive, count two, drive and register or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Tamika, PA5402, on behalf of Sandra Ruthenberg.
Ms. Ruthenberg, say your name, please.
Sandra Ruthenberg.
Did appear, he did indicate that he wanted to dismiss. So with that, you stipulate the proper cause, Ms. Tucker?
Yes, Your Honor.
You might want to dismiss without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Ruthenberg. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a blessed holiday.
You too, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Judge, can we do, Alan Duncan?
This is the people versus Alan Duncan, ticket number P1312217, count 1, open alcohol in a motor vehicle. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Tamika Tucker, PA 5402, on behalf of Alan Duncan.
Mr. Duncan, say your name.
Alan Duncan.
Offer of open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. He's charged as driver, but it's an amendment of passenger. Does your client still get himself to that offer?
No, Your Honor, he wants to go to trial.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Duncan. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder. You understand that proper place.
I couldn't hear you, Your Honor.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court would be the fact finder?
Yes, ma'am.
The court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial date for January 6th at 9 o'clock.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Is it possible that I could get a little later date than that? I just started back work. The company was shut down, and I already know they're gonna try to I can't lose the job. I guess they put everybody on a probation period, no days off. I just don't want to lose my job.
January 20th at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And then George Douglas.
So you're on set, sir. Good luck to you.
I'm all set?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So wait, who do you have next?
Frank Dancy.
This is the people versus Frank Dancy, ticket number P1315925, count 1 improper plates. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Tamika Tucker, PA 5402, on behalf of Frank Dancy.
Mr. Dancy, unmute yourself, look in the bottom left-hand corner, say your name, please.
Frank Dancy.
There's an offer, there really isn't an offer. How do you find what to proceed?
Your Honor, I did not have a chance to speak to him. When I went into the room, I called his name numerous times and he did not respond.
Mr. Dancy, you're charged with improper plates. You complete improper plates unless you have your registration or insurance.
Yeah, I got all that.
You got it with you?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
Okay, put up the camera.
Well, my insurance is digital, but I can show you my registration. I gotta get it on my car. Hold on.
Can you email it to the prosecutor?
Excuse me?
Can you email it to the prosecutor? Your insurance?
Insurance and his registration. So he said he had both.
So if you can email it to her, I'll give you her email address. Email it to her.
All right, I'm ready.
HORNETOM. Horn Time. HORNETOM at DetroitMI.gov.
Hold on. You got to say that over now. Oh, you said HORNETOM
Yes. At DetroitMI.gov.
Detroit. You said at DetroitMI.gov, right?
Yes, sir. Read back what you have.
I got HORNTOM at Detroit.gov.
Between the N and the T, put an E. HORNETOM at DetroitMI.gov.
HORNE. Right, it's HORNETOM. That's what I got.
Okay, so
At
send her
that
the
Detroit
insurance.
MI. He didn't get the MI at the last time, so it's DetroitMI.gov.
At DetroitMI.gov. I got that.
All right, so send her your insurance and your registration.
I'm about to do that right now.
All right, we'll recall your case.
All right.
Anything else?
George Douglas.
And I believe Ms. Tucker and I need to discuss Mr. Douglas.
Yes.
Okay, then the next one should be Quan Russell.
This is the People versus Quan Russell, ticket number P1238020, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, count 3, reckless driving. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Tucker, PA 5402 on behalf of Quan Russell.
Say your name, Mr. Russell.
Quan Russell.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It's 11:13, and no officer has appeared. You have a motion, Ms. Tucker?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm in motion to dismiss the ticket.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Mr. Russell. Good luck to you, sir.
Ebony Robertson.
Robertson, ticket number P1334727, count 1.
Holiday.
I'm sorry.
Can I ask a question?
Mr. Russell, you have a question?
Yeah, do I receive anything through the mail or anything that the case is dismissed, or how do that work?
No, you can look online. You can look on the 36 Sister Pro website.
Or can I just call up there?
I mean, you could to receive something.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just good. I don't have to no paperwork or nothing.
You're fine.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck to you, sir. This is the People versus Ebony Robertson, ticket number P1334727, count 1, drive and register or untitled vehicle, count 2, improper plates. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Tucker, PA 5402 on behalf of Ebony Robertson.
Say your name, Ms. Robertson.
Good morning, Ebony Robertson.
Matter is set for a bench trial. It was set at 9 o'clock. It's 11:15. No officer has appeared. You have a motion.
Yes, Your Honor. Motion to dismiss all tickets.
Matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set, Ms. Robertson. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Ms. Tucker and Judge. Thank you so much.
You have a good day.
Jerry Downey.
Jerry Downey. Yes.
Hold on, Miss Downey.
Yes, sir.
All right, this is People versus Jerry Downing, ticket number P1356733. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Tamika Tucker, PA 5402 on behalf of Jerry Downey.
Ms. Downing.
Good morning, Judge. Jerry Downey.
I don't know, did you have an opportunity to speak to Ms. Downing?
I did, Your Honor. She would like to take the offer.
Was it failed to display?
Yes, Your Honor, and dismiss the no insurance.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Downing.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Tucker in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, ma'am.
Pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of June 16, 2022 at 10:22 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Randolph in Congress in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2006 Pontiac vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And had you never acquired a driver's license?
I try, Your Honor. I'm not a good reader, so I'm trying to get people to help me. And plus, I'm a low income person, so I really don't have too much help. It's like I'm basically by myself.
All right. So you didn't have a driver's license, is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
The court's also satisfied with the factual basis. Will accept the admission.
Yes.
It's a proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
It's dismissed without. Now there's a $200 fine. You indicated you were low income. Can you have that fine of $200 paid by January 12th?
Yes, I can make some arrangements to pay. Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
Did you need more time or are you okay with that date?
Can you like give me like to the first or something? I can pay it like on the first or something like that.
I can give you to February 9th.
I can't hear you, Your Honor.
February 9th?
That's fine.
You're on set this now. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Your Honor. Octavia Robinson.
All right. I don't think she had a chance to speak.
No, Your Honor, I don't even know when she came in.
She can't.
Her offer would be, it would be failed to display, Ms. Tucker.
Failed to display and dismiss the other.
Yeah, dismiss the unregistered untitled vehicle. Yeah.
That's for you.
Ms. Robinson, did you hear that?
Yes, I did.
Would you like to take that offer?
Yes, I will.
All right, raise your right hand. Ms. Robinson, do you swear? I'm sorry, let me call the case. This is people versus Octavia Robinson, ticket number P1338134. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, drove without unlicensed. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Tamika Tucker, PA 5402 on behalf of Octavia Robinson.
Say your name.
Good morning, Your Honor. Octavia Robinson.
All right. Ms. Robinson, my understanding you do wish to take advantage of the offer.
What is that?
Do you want to plead to what's been offered to you?
Yes.
All right, raise your right hand, ma'am. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You had an opportunity to speak to the court with Ms. Tucker, the attorney present, about your case. And we also, it wasn't explained to you, but you understand that you can either plead guilty or you could go to trial, which would be either a bench trial or a jury trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. But you've indicated that you wish to plead guilty, is that correct?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened to will promise you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes.
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
Pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you have the right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
Yes.
Going to direct your attention to the date of June 5th, 2022 at 4:12 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Jefferson and McDougal in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
You driving a 2005 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes, I was.
Driving while you were unlicensed?
Yes.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count but fail to display. You stipulate the proper cause as to the other misdemeanor to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sentencing. Ms. Robinson, there's a $200 fine. Can you have that fine paid by January 12th?
Yes. Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No, I do not.
All right, you're all set.
Thank
I think we're still waiting on.
Mr. Dancy did come back, so do you want to recall that?
Yeah, did you email your stuff to Ms. Horn, Mr. Dancy?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, I'm checking now. And Mr. Dancy, is your email Rick James?
Oh,
I'm just being funny.
Mr. Dancy, turn on your video.
Okay, so I am looking at an insurance card that is effective 11/25 to 5/25.
That's me.
Okay, and is this for the vehicle that was driven on the date of the incident?
No, I don't even got that car no more. I had sold that car. I had to step my game up. Got me a new one.
Okay. Right. And you're on Goulson
And then
and
when
Warren?
I got pulled over, yeah.
Okay. Okay, Your Honor, I am reviewing valid documents for a 2016 Impala, Your Honor. The people would be inclined to dismiss, especially since the old vehicle is no longer available.
All right, we'll recall Mr. Dancy. This is the People versus Frank Dancy, ticket number P1315925, count one in proper place. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Tamika Tucker, PA 5402, on behalf of Frank Dancy.
Say your name, Mr. Dancy.
Frank Dancy.
That's my understanding that Mr. Dancy has provided valid documentation to the prosecutor. Do you stipulate the proper causes, Tucker?
Yes, Your Honor.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Mr. Dancy, good luck to you, sir.
All right, thanks.
I don't know what happened to Mr. Redmond, but I guess we put they already said except for December 14th. All right, I think we just have left Mr. Douglas. Are we ready on that one, Mrs. Horn?
These are already set. Oh, that's what.
Let me bring it. Mr. Ramsey is very late. We told
Yes.
the officer to be capious. So we bring him in, but we just gonna set up for another pretrial. He's gonna have to go backwards.
I thought he played on Redmond, played on some stuff. Board of things.
Mr. Ramsey, it's
Yes,
11:30. Your
I
mouth
know.
was set at 9 o'clock.
I know, Your Honor. I'm at work, and I let my employer know that I had one at an appointment at 9 o'clock, and they agreed to it. But by me working, I forgot. I lost track of time. I'm at work right now.
So the officer was here and waited. We released him, indicating to the officer that you were going to be capious. We won't capious you, but we'll set it for a pretrial. So you gotta start
Okay.
back over again.
All right, and I appreciate it.
Unless you want to just deal with it today. I think the offer is improper license, no insurance misdemeanor. Unless you want to just deal with it right now, and we can be done with it. Because your officer was present, and he will. I think he'll come back.
Okay, we could deal with it today.
And yep, failure to display, Your Honor, on the no ops and the dismissal of the document case.
So the offer would be failed to display. It's no points. It'll likely be a $200 fine.
Okay, I can agree with that.
Okay, this is the people versus Marvin Ramsey, ticket number SP 1254488, count 1, improper or invalid or improper license. To count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Tamika Tucker, PA 5402 on behalf of Marvin Ramsey.
All right, say your name again, Mr. Ramsey.
Marvin Ramsey.
All right, we briefly had a conversation with the attorney and the prosecutor present. As my understanding, Mr. Ramsey indicated that you did wish to proceed to trial. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
I'm sorry, you wanted to take advantage of the offer.
Yes.
All right, so raise your right hand, Mr. Ramsey. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You have had an opportunity to speak to the court with your attorney present and the prosecutor present about your case and your rights. Is that correct?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
Pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of September 23rd, 2021 at 8:56 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Fort and St. Anne in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2012 Chrysler vehicle?
Yes.
And did you not have your license, or was your license not valid or proper?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Ms. Tucker?
Yes, Your Honor.
Of course, also satisfied the factual basis. We'll accept the admission, we'll amend the count to fail to display. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Mr. Ramsey, can you have that fine paid by January 12th?
But can you give me a little date after that?
February 9th?
You said I said after the 12th.
Can you have that February 9th?
Oh yes.
Any questions, sir?
Oh no, that'll be it.
You're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Welcome. So are you ready on Mr. Douglas?
Yes,